Indiana. Steve heard some cows here. We're live. I'm still on the ranch. On the ranch. We're here with a local horse. Okay, he's headed for cover, which is smart. Oh, come out here. It's back! What's going on, guys? Welcome back. Rocky Mountain Rancher, episode 64, Super Ranchin'. I told you last video that, hey, don't worry, this ain't a camper channel, okay? This is a ranchin' channel, and this one is exactly that. We are calving. All of a sudden, you know, I don't know, you think you're going to be like ready for calving season, and you try to be as prepared as you can, and then you wake up, oh, there's a calf down there, cool. Well, it's all good. Cool, we can handle it. Oh my, 3 hours later, oh my God, there's another calf. Okay, that's cool. We're still okay. We're still good. We're good. Also, oh, there's another one calving. Okay, that's cool. I'll go take care of that one. What about these other two? Oh my gosh, I don't know. Whoa, there's another one calving over here. Oh my God, this is chaos. Okay, that's kind of what happened the last 3 days, but I captured most of it on film, so you can enjoy the chaos from your home. So yeah, I mean, it is here and it is real. And we're doing it. So yeah, it's these heifers that we bought, they are calving now. We thought April, but actually turned out to be March 9th or 10th, or I don't even know what day it is right now, to be honest, but it's March. I know that, and it's about a month early, but hey, maybe it's not a month early. Maybe it's right on time. So anyway, we are calving like crazy. Hard to keep up. I'm trying to keep you up to date on what all is going on throughout this vlog, but it's exciting, it's fun, never a dull moment for sure, keeping me very busy, and yeah, just your typical snapshot of calving season in the Rockies. So once again, thank you for the support, appreciate it all, the sharing, the liking, the subscribing, all that. Keep it up, it's awesome. Yeah, let's ride. Spotted the black goma. She's been stalking us all morning. Watch out, folks. She's looking very dangerous. Oh my gosh. There's an encounter with a wild wolf. He's gone now. She's back. She's coming towards us. Remain calm. Remain calm. Don't move. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. She's right by me now. Everybody be cool. Remain calm. Oh my gosh. We're getting ready to calve here. Okay, any day now. We're thinking, any day now. So, I'm trying to get this portable corral undug out. Or not undug out, but dug out. And that way we can drag her over and put her in our little calving barns. All right, finally got the hay shed cleared out. Now it's time to put the corrals in. Good thing I marked it from last year. Corrals tongue. Right here. To go right there. Now we're gonna put them up. Trying to be proactive, ready for calving season. Coming in hot. And I got the corral, set of corrals pretty well dug out the other day. Cool, we're professionals. We're backed in. Sweet. Good to go. All right, you're not gonna see this place normal again for another 2 to 3 months. Here's a little before action. I mean, hopefully, theoretically, it would be awesome if nobody came in here because everybody just had great little babies and they loved them and everything was perfect. But we know that's not how life works out here. There's gonna be some chaos, I'm sure. All right, squeeze shoe time. All right, things are looking more like a real corral here, folks. Like a real calving corral anyway. We got plenty of room out here. We got a bunch of panels here. We can make a bunch of little nursery stalls here. Got the squeeze chutes set up. Ready to go in case we have to pull a calf. We're ready to go. And the getter inner corral over here. Usually last year we had, once we pushed them up the trail, they shoot around this little corner here and then come into here. And then they are ready to be worked on. Pulled their calf or take care of them or just have it as a nursery and give them some dry ground to hang out and bond with their mom. So, hey, it's like we've done this before. It's like we know what we're doing, okay? Look what we got here. First calf of the year. Where are you going, lady? Don't worry. You weren't supposed to calve yet, were you? I thought you weren't going to calve until April. Huh. All right, now, buddy, you're all tagged up. Why don't you go join the real world? Careful, Mama. Well, the goal here is to get this new baby inside the shed. Mama's following me, and she ain't tried to kill me yet. Try and get him up under cover. She seems to want to be a good mom. Oh, that's good. All right, so we got new mama and new baby in there. That's good. Now I had one of these, her sister, 84, lose her calf last night. So we're gonna try and get her another baby and see if we can't get her pushed into this corral and then go get a new baby. Better call Amazon. Well, we are headed out. I found my buddy's got a bum calf, so we're gonna go get this bum calf and hopefully put it on this heifer. This really nice new heifer, one of our new heifers that lost her calf. I don't know what happened, but calf was dead this morning. So, and she's really good and nice and wants to be a mom. And so I think it worked out pretty good. I remember I heard about this calf like 3 weeks ago. And I'm like, what? We're not calving. Why would I need? I'm not worried about that. Like, come on. Well, there you go. I guess I needed it after all. So I got the A-team. We're gonna go pick this calf up and hopefully she'll want to adopt it. So, well, that was kind of sort of successful. Got her new calf, 84's new calf. He is a rambunctious little, ambitious little dude. But we put her in the chute and milked her out, and he did awesome. And we put her milk all over him, so hopefully they will do some bonding tonight. Right now she's more into the hay, but 'tis the season, ladies. What are we doing here? What are we doing? Just chill out. Remain calm and don't have your baby tonight. So we got 85 yesterday, 84 yesterday, And now 83 has this little baby this morning. Oh, well, it's just another beautiful day in the Rockies here, people. It has just been hammering. I thought the real weatherman, not Steve hurt some cows, but I thought the real weatherman was full of it. And I was like, yeah, right, we'll see. That ain't gonna hit us. Whatever. Well, you know what? He was a little more accurate here. This is it's pretty crappy. So I kind of feel bad for that little calf that we had last night. He's tough. He's good. He's got a good mom, but we got this nice Haitian here, and I guess as we would call it. So I might as well. I think my dad and I we're gonna take the sled down and try and bring him up here. So like I said, she's a good mom, so hopefully she'll just put him in the sled and she'll follow, and they can have some warm, nice nursery environment for the night. So okay, so we got the handy dandy Calfomatical homemade Kyle special sleigh, and I'm gonna try it. Oh, of course I got the wrong hitch. Really? Golly, amateur hour down here. What y'all know about this custom homemade baling wire hitch, okay? You don't just get these off anywhere. You don't just get these off Amazon. But this is some handmade stuff here, people. Okay, so if you have a ball and you don't have the right hitch, don't worry about it. You got some baling wire, you're gonna be good to go. Look at that. That is sturdy, okay? That's gonna hold a calf all day. It's cold out here. There's your mom. Hopefully she follows me. Let me get you some good warm shelter, little buddy. Without the whole herd following me to the barn, but that's okay. Got the right cow, so that's all that matters. Hell yeah, got her. That was close. She tried to escape on me, but we got her. Hey, you're gonna love it in here, okay? You're gonna love it. You're welcome. I said I got everybody else in here too. I didn't need all you guys. Okay, a little update. I know things are happening quicker than I can even film them, but brand new baby this morning, heifer. You were last night. Hey, yo, baby. You were 2 days ago. You're the adoptee. So yeah, we got a full shed here, people. I would say light to medium to moderate ranching for sure. Well, I told you I was just going to get ranchier from here on out, and there you go. Hey, I'm vlogging here. Can you just... Golly. 3 heifer cows, which we thought weren't going to calve until April. Hey, surprise, they're calving in March, so it's all good. 3 heifer cows, 3 heifer calves, safe in for the night. All good. Of course, you guys have to wait until blizzard to have your calf, but whatever. Anyway, I'm glad you guys came back. Look for more of this. There's going to be more. There's going to be a lot more drama, crazy ranching, light to moderate to heavy ranching. But I'm glad you tuned in. Like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff, because it's going to get ranchier. Okay? Look at that. I mean, this is just the start here. We'll see y'all next time.